So good afternoon to one and all. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about algo trading. So mainly we are going to cover two important baskets. So one is going to be option selling basket, and the second thing is going to be option buying basket. So completely we are going to discuss about how much capital is required, what is going to be the monthly expenditure, and what are the monthly returns that the investor or trader can expect on a regular basis. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram, we are going to discuss all the latest updates followed by all the regular updates with the links. Right. So firstly, we are going to discuss about the option buying basket, which is around 50,000 capital. So previously also in the Telegram group, I've mentioned about this particular setup. I mean, how much is the expenditure and break evens? I mean, what are the break even charges? Everything I've explained in the Telegram. But for people who are watching this particular video, who are completely new to it, so let me quickly recap what are the things mentioned here. So as I've mentioned, first and foremost thing, the minimum capital that I'm considering for this particular option buying basket is going to be 50,000. So second thing is it involves two strategies. One is in Bank Nifty and second one is Fin Nifty respectively. Okay, so basically we are going to trade only on these two indices. So next thing is we are going to trade from Monday to Thursday. It means 4 trading sessions per week we are going to trade, and indirectly it means 18 days per month. Because Saturdays, Sundays obviously are going to be holidays. Second thing is brokerage cost per month. If you see total 18 days I have considered as a trading, and brokerage is 135 rupees. So it is going to be 2,430 rupees on an average. So second and fourth most thing is Algo software. So that is the primary thing to run this particular setup. So I have considered Quantiply here. So a few people were talking about my Algomet as well and few other softwares. So my personal suggestion is Quantiply Tech, because cost per month is completely reduced here. It is only 675 rupees, because we are going to run with combined accounts. So because of that, the cost also reduces. So now the most important thing is going to be the initial setup and advisory fee. So how much we are going to charge for this? So as I've mentioned, so this is going to be a completely option buying setup, and we have designed accordingly to the people who have limited amount of capital, who are expecting decent returns with a decent amount of drawdown, right? So initial setup fees and advisory is going to be 2.5% of the capital. Let's say you're starting 50,000, you need to give 2.5%, and thus nothing is required. So that is around 1250. If you're starting with 1 lakh rupees, again on that 2.5% is the initial advisory fee, so that we generally charge. And for subsequent payouts, okay, we're going to pay 250 rupees. So charges are going to be very, very minimal. So expected monthly return is around 20% of capital. And let's say if you're taking 50,000 as a capital, so then that's going to be your return. And expected monthly taxes also is going to be somewhere around 500 rupees. So net post charges, all the taxes, it is somewhere around 5,000 per month. Okay, so considering the return and considering the charges, so it is a fair enough deal. And drawdown I've mentioned is 36,000. So that is 2x, right? So 2x is the drawdown. So I've mentioned clearly in this document, you can see this. So everything is clearly mentioned here. And if you see, the return also is around 1700% on an average, and capital use around 13,342. But for drawdown point of view, I've included everything and told you that you need to have 50,000 rupees capital in your account so that you can use this particular basket. Sometimes return can be exceptionally high when the markets are very trending. Sometimes returns can be normal, and sometimes you might see losses as well when the markets are in sideways direction. But overall, the main point is to be on the profitable side, right? So everything is clearly mentioned here. What is the monthly profit, average day profit, max losses, everything you can see here. Expectancy is also given. So generally somewhere around 1% or 0.7 is considered as a very good expectancy. So this basket is related to option buying. So now let us discuss about option selling as well. Right. So this particular basket is going to be related to option selling. So option selling plus buying. So I've mentioned it for 30 lakh capital. So people who have 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 25 lakhs can accordingly divide it. So 30 lakhs is the base capital I'm considering here. I'm putting option selling and option buying both combined. So in this, we have 15 to 20 different strategies per day, completely trading on the NSE indices like Bank Nifty, whatever it is, right? 15 to 20 strategies will be traded. So depending upon the day, if it is Monday, Tuesday, Nifty, Wednesday, Bank Nifty, Thursday, whatever. Thursday Nifty, generally we trade Nifty, Fridays, Sensex, so like that. But generally we don't trade Fridays, we trade till Thursdays. And here Algo software you're using is my Algomet, right? We are not using any Quantiply because cost again it increases. We are going to use my Algomet, and plus VPS also we are using for better execution. So total expenditure for that Algo software comes around to be 3,000 per month. And advisory fee is again 2.5% on the capital. That is, on 30 lakhs, you can take somewhere around 6,250 per month we are considering generally, right? So everything will be on monthly basis based on how your returns are being generated. We are going to charge. If there are no returns, accordingly, no need to pay anything. So expected monthly pre-tax return also 2.5% on the capital I've considered. That is around 75,000 per month. So this is completely safe basket. We are not taking any much risk here since they are combining option selling plus buying. So that gives us a better edge. So drawdown is around 18,000. That also I've considered. Okay, clearly I've mentioned here. And returns also, you can see 11 lakh return is there and the previous year, that also I've mentioned. So you can go through this PDF documents and expectancy is around 1.15. So generally greater than 1. This is generally considered as a very good expectancy. See, slippages will be there. So including all the slippages itself, these particular results were deducted, and all the expenses are also were calculated accordingly based upon the risk appetite of the investors and traders. Right. So these were the two baskets I mentioned here. First one is related to buying and second one is related to option selling. So quickly you can go through it. And if you have any interest or if you want to get the further details of this, you can contact us on WhatsApp. So that number will be mentioned in the description. And also you can join the Telegram. So that also will be mentioning in the description. So you can get the further details. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section. So thank you for watching.